Alright guys, I got everything all put back together. Don't mind my barn. It's a little bit of a trash bin right now, but I've been working on plows and skid loaders and junk Arctic Cat snowmobiles for the last couple weeks now, but got the plow put back together, greased up, cleaned up and dielectric greased all the electrical fittings and everything. I did notice I do have a hydraulic hose that's got a little bit of a dry rot crack in there. It's not a big deal, but when you're out at 2-3 o'clock in the morning and that thing goes, you're screwed until, you know, in our case out here in Romeo, Michigan, Romeo Motor Parts, they make all our hydraulic lines and stuff. I do have a hydraulic hose in one of our other trucks that we keep as a spare, but I want to get one for keeping my actual truck as a spare. I'll probably end up getting two and replacing that line just to be safe, and then keep one underneath the seat in the back seat area. But like I said, I got everything all put back together. Pumps cleaned out, screens are cleaned out, fresh Boss red fluids in it, and we are going to try her out, see how she does. Another thing, the guy on the Boss channel says to lift the plow up like 12 or 15 times up and down, and then each wing 15 times up and down. I do it about 10 times. I mean, yeah, you know, that extra 5 times, you know, just to make sure everything's in play. I don't know, it's up to you guys' discretion on how many times that you guys, you know, move your plow and work your plow and then check your fluid. Yeah, that's about it. If you guys got any questions, just comment below. I'm new to the whole YouTube thing. I'm going to start doing this stuff because I do work on a lot of equipment and stuff, and a lot of people have come to me for questions. So I'm going to see how this video goes on YouTube and stuff. And yeah, just any questions, comment below. Like, subscribe, share, and I'll help you out the best I can. You know, like I said, the reason why I made this video is because I spent 45 minutes to an hour yesterday looking for a video on how to pull the pump apart, pump reservoir, check and, you know, inspect, clean the screens off. There was a lot of ice, or I should say slush, on my screens, and I cleaned them all off, and it seems to be working a lot better. So yeah, that's about it. Like I said, like, subscribe, share, And if you got any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.